How to convert tablespoon to teaspoon in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this quick Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert tablespoon to teaspoon in Microsoft Excel. When it comes to recipes, tablespoon and teaspoon are important fact because measurement is everything in cooking. So whenever you find it troublesome to convert tablespoon to teaspoon, you can use Microsoft Excel. So here I'm going to write here equal to and then write convert. Microsoft Excel has a built-in converter that can convert from one measurement system to another, including teaspoon and tablespoon. If I double click here, I need to select the cell that I want to convert. So here we have 4 tablespoon and I want to convert 4. So I'm going to select 4 as the first parameter, and then I'm going to add comma, and our from unit we have tablespoon here. So our from unit will be tablespoon, and if I scroll down, and here we have our tablespoon. If I double click here, TBS is our parameter. If I add comma, we'll have to select teaspoon, which is TSP. I'm going to double click here and we have our from unit and to unit setup. If I close parentheses and press enter, we have successfully converted tablespoon to teaspoon. So 4 tablespoon equal to 12 teaspoon. This is how you can convert tablespoon to teaspoon in Microsoft Excel. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.